The following article, Week of Prayer for Christian Unity, is from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, at n.wikipedia.org. The Week of Prayer for Christian Unity is an international Christian ecumenical observance kept annually between January 18 and January 25. It is actually an octave, that is, observance lasting 8 days. The Week of Prayer for Christian Unity began in 1908 as the Octave of Christian Unity and focused on the prayer for church unity. The dates of the week were proposed by Paul Watson, beginning on the Feast of the Confession, or the Chair of St. Peter on January 18, and concluding with the Feast of the Conversation of St. Paul on January 25. In the Southern Hemisphere, where January is a vacant time, churches are often find other days to celebrate the Week of Prayer. For example, around Pentecost, which was suggested by the Faith of Order movement in 1926, which is also a symbolic date for the unity of the Church. In 1948, with the founding of the World Council of Churches, the Week of Prayer for Christian Unity became increasingly recognized by the different churches throughout the world. This concludes the article, Week of Prayer for Christian Unity. For more on Christian unity, see categories Christian festivals and January observances. This concludes the audio recording. This sound file and all text in the article are licensed under the GNU Free Documentation License, available at www.gnu.org/copyleft/fdl.html.